episode 36. Emperor Penguin. Good morning, who are you? I'm Emperor Penguin. We are the biggest penguins in the world. Where do you live? Emperor Penguin live Alaska. We live in the cold ice. We stay near water. Where do you live? Emperor penguins live in what? An emperor penguins were the biggest penguin in the world. Do you fly? Penguins have feathers, but we don't fly. We just swim. You can dive too. Emperor penguin can dive very deep. We dive to find food. We eat fish and squid. What does your father do that? He holds an egg on his. Okay, do you lay eggs? Mother penguin lays one egg. Then mother father take care of the baby. How do your fathers do that? He holds your egg on his feet. Yet he doesn't eat or go anywhere. After 2 months, the egg finally hatches. We live in a big group. We huddle together in the cold. We take turns standing in the warmest spots and ready to dive again. Goodbye. Meet the Animal, episode 37. Parrot. Hello, who are you? I'm Parrot. Parrot is a type of bird. Parrot, where do you live? Parrots live in the whole world. Most parrots have warm places like rainforest, but some live in snow places. What do you eat? Parrots mostly eat nuts and seeds. Our beaks are sharp. We use them to cut open nuts and seeds. Do all parrots look the same? No, there are many different kinds of parrots, but we have curved beaks and we have 4 toes. Do you live alone? Parrots live in a group called flocks. We like to talk to each other. We scream and squawk. Can parrots really learn words? Yep. Parrots can very small birds. Some parrots can learn words for people too. We can imitate other sounds too. People are our main enemy. We often take us for pets. I see fox. Goodbye, parrot. Meet the Animal, episode 38. Why not Rhinoceros? Good afternoon. Who are you? I'm Rhinoceros. I have 2 horns. We use them to fight. What horns fight each other sometimes. People are main enemies. We hunt us for our horn. Do you ever run? Sometimes what rhinoceros run very fast. We turn at things. But we're too big to run for long. The sun feels hot. I'm going to rest in the shade now. What? We call rhinoceros. We run on 3 square. We are very big land mammal. We mostly where do you live? Mostly white rhinos live in Africa. We like grass plants. must protect us from the hot sun. It keeps the birds away. Do you eat grasses? Yes, white rhinoceros eat grasses. Our mouths are very wide, so we can eat lots at once. Rhinoceros fight each other sometimes, but people are main enemies. They hunt us for our horns. I like wood. White rhinoceros have 2 horns. We use them to fight. Do you ever run? Sometimes white rhinoceros run very fast. Some strange things, but we're too big to run for long. That sun feels hot. I'm going to rest in my shadow now. Goodbye. Bye, rhinoceros. Sea otter. Hello, who are you? I am sea otter. Sea otter are a type of birds. Where do you live? Sea otter live in the Pacific Ocean. We live in North America and Asia. Sea otter go to land and rest sometimes, but we mostly stay in the water. We even sleep in the water. What do that? She falls out on her back. Sometimes we sleep to warm it to keep the evenings away. Our fur looks thick. Our fur is very thick. We also waterproof. Our poof can be warm and dry. What do you eat? Sea otter eat fish and octopuses. We like crabs and crabs. We use drugs to break them open. Carrots, squirrels, and sharks sometimes eat us. Our webbed feet help to swim away fast. I see you later. I need to clean my fur now. Goodbye, sea otter. Read the end of episode 14, Cottontail Rabbit. Hello, who are you? I'm Cottontail Rabbit. Cottontail are mammals have long ears. Where do you live? Cottontail live in North and South America. We always fear and meander. Cottontails mostly eat grasses and herb. We love vegetables like lettuce and beans. What do you eat? We eat after sun goes down. We keep it safe from enemies. Your tail is so cute. Cottontail have brown and white fur, but we have some kind of tail. They look like white cottontail ball. Do you have many enemies? Yes, cottontail have lots of enemies. Owls, hawks, and foxes often hunt us, but we can run away very fast. Yes, we can make shadow nests underground. Our babies are very tiny when they born. Yes, many babies do not service. I'm going to back into my nest now. Goodbye, Cottontail Rabbit.